Hey everybody, Abel here from TechNave. Today we're gonna do a hands-on on the Vivo V9. Okay guys, so this is the Vivo V9 in the flesh. I have to say that among all the Vivo smartphones, this is probably the best looking phone. Of course, to be fair, it is the latest one. It comes in a very shiny chrome, but it's very prone to fingerprint smudges, so be careful with that. Just get a transparent cover or something. And from the sides, you can see that is the typical volume rockers, power button. The sync up tray is right here, and for some reason it's still using a micro USB port. Yeah, no Type-C here, so sorry fans. And on the front here, you have a 6.3-inch display in 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. It is Vivo's largest screen display with a 19:9 screen-to-body aspect ratio. It covers at least 90% on the front. And of course, yeah, we have the top notch right here. And yes, we all know what you're thinking about the top notch. We know all too well. But anyway, the front camera is using a 24 megapixel sensor, while on the back it's a dual-wide camera with 16 megapixel and a 5 megapixel as the secondary camera, that focuses on the depth of field to give you that bokeh effect in the background. And this is the camera user interface. And yes, we know what you're thinking about the camera user interface. We also know. We know. Anyway, on the camera user interface, you can take the portrait mode right here, live photo, and even the Ultra HD, which Vivo Malaysia has been kind of teasing us. There's even slow-mo right here. Haven't really tested it out yet, so stay tuned for that. So we got some selfie samples of the V9. Here is our boy Bernard. He's taking some pictures by himself. You can see how smooth his face is. He's not wearing makeup, by the way. It's just the face beauty mode enhancing his skin. You can see it even looks like that he's wearing some lip balm on his lips, but it's actually not. It's just the face beauty at his best. He really looks like some kind of a pretty boy K-pop star or something. And here, this is me trying out the AR stickers. There are a lot of filters, but these are the ones that are available right now. So selfie lovers should really have fun with this. Okay guys, so that was the V9 hands-on. It's now available for pre-order in Malaysia for 1,399 ringgit. Stay tuned for a future review at technave.com. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.